Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 3.0 D300 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to lock and unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle now, you can see it does in fact come with a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion when needed, and once we open up the boot you can see that you've got ample amount of room to travel with any essentials you need to take with you. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find that ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we come around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 11,229 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Along with your 4x4 information, your weight sensing and terrain response drive modes, all these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Pairing with all these features, the 360 view camera has an off-road feature, ideal for those off-road days, and of course your 360 view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have heated and ventilated front seats, ideal for those hot summer months as well as the cold winter ones, and pairing with this you also have a dual zone climate control. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 3.0 D300 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase off Stafford Land Rover. For more information please contact our sales team.